Hello everybody, this is Brandon with DB Services. Today we're going to take a look at the FileMaker Cloud Schedule Manager that DB Services has created for the Cloud Admin API, the official release. They completely updated the endpoints for the API in the official release of the Admin API. So it was required that you basically do a complete overhaul for any applications you had that were utilizing that service. But we're going to go ahead and take a quick look at how this file can work for you to manage your cloud server schedules, which still at this time does not have a GUI in the actual admin console itself. So this file, you can contain multiple server setups in here at the same time, so it still can be useful even if you're even when they do add a user interface option for it, as you can manage all of these schedules through mini servers with this tool. The first things you're going to need in order to get this to work are the URL for your cloud server, the username and password for the admin console. Once you've entered those, you'll see that it will update and pull all of the files hosted on that cloud server. Let's just go ahead and jump right in and add a schedule here. So first you'll just pick the file. I'm going to be using our FM Quick Start application. Let's just call it test schedule. And then this is the login and password for the file itself. So for script names, when you click this little button, it just does some FileMaker programming to go and grab all of the available scripts. It'll ask you to log into the file so that it can pull that information from the file itself, and then it will be able to display to you a list of available scripts from that application once it downloads those and populates the value list. So once that's done, we can just go ahead. I think I have one in here that's called schedule test. We'll just use that one. Let's give it a script parameter. Let's just call it test contact. What this script does is it actually just goes and makes contacts in the contact table of that file, so we'll just call it that. For the frequency here, you'll see the ones that you've always expected: daily, every n days, once, and weekly. So for daily, you can of course repeat the task however many hours or minutes that you want. For every n days, you can select if you want it to run every 3 days or whatever you'd like it to do. Run once, of course, is just give it to me now, and then weekly, you can select given days of the week for this task to run. So let's just go ahead and create one that's going to run daily. Let's start it today, and let's see, let's just make it run at 2 p.m. And then we'll set the end date to also be today. Let's just say 5 p.m. Let's repeat it. Let's just say every 2 minutes. Alrighty, then we save that schedule, and it'll go ahead and create that for us on the server, and you'll see the next run there is set to go at 2 p.m. If we're impatient, we can just go ahead and run it now from the Run Schedule Now option on the left. And when we click that, it should go ahead and fire that schedule. Let's make sure it's actually running. If we go look at our file, you'll see that we have our test contact now here. That just got created from our script parameter. So we know that it ran, and then you'll see we have our last run option there is at 1:37, and that did, and this next run is still set for 2 o'clock. So you can see, you can also, of course, change these options. So you can update the schedule. Let's say I just want to change it to a run once now. I can update that, and it'll now run just one time at the given scheduled date. We're done with the schedule. You can just simply delete that schedule, and it will clear out. So that's all. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy the file, and feel free to download this demo from our article.